Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of jejunum for histology, practical and slide. There are four identification points. Number one is club-shaped villi with microvilli. Number two, more goblet cells. Number three, no Brunner glands. And number four, tallest valvulae. These are the four identification points of jejunum for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the video of slide explanation on my YouTube channel of jejunum, and now I upload this identification points video also. On my YouTube channel regarding to histology, you can find general histology, special histology, slide detail explanation video, and every slide identification points for practical and slide identification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.